Hello everyone, today's recipe is pasta with cauliflower. The ingredients are 1 cauliflower already cut and washed, extra virgin olive oil, spaghetti or bucatini, a handful of pine nuts, anchovies, raisins, 1/2 chopped onion and saffron. We go to the preparation. We put our cauliflower and salt in the water that already is boiling, for 10 minutes. The water from cooking the cauliflower we use, it's the same for cooking pasta. In this way will be more flavorful. While the cauliflower bake, prepare a pan with chopped onion, olive oil and 1 anchovy. Light the fire and let fry the ingredients. After 10 minutes of cooking, when the onion is golden, combine the cauliflower into small pieces. We add the saffron, a handful of raisins and a handful of pine nuts. Continue cooking, adding occasionally a little cooking water. And in the meantime we throw the pasta into the water, where previously we had cooked cauliflower. As you can see, we have not added salt because we have already used both anchovy as the water from the pasta. A pleasure to add just a little pepper. Let us keep aside 2 tablespoons of the sauce and whisk with the mixer by adding a little olive oil, until you get the right consistency. Now we combine the spaghetti sauce and we tie it all. Add half the mixture that we shake and make stir fry. Now serve our pasta with cauliflower. As a base on the plate we put the other half of the cream of cauliflower and above a nest of spaghetti. Sprinkle with Sicilian cheese or according to taste. The dish is finished. Good appetite at all!